talking about the quality that you always talk about that and customer satisfaction, but at the same time, how do you manage to give the same value consistently for all these years?
Basically, it's not very easy to maintain that, especially when customer wants always at a lower and lower and lower price, and our expenses are always on higher side. So you need to only way is to try and see how you can reduce your expenses, keeping the same quality, and that's what we have tried to do all this while, and still able to deliver what we have been talking about. Because again, a product like noise barrier, it has certain parameters, it has certain standards, those are there, and that product get checked as per that standard. So that's how we have to do that and give delivering it again and again with the same standards.
Okay, and